Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to transfer ton from Bybit to Tonkeeper. So watch to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing you have to do is to open the Tonkeeper app, then tap on receive to get your ton address. So after that, copy the address, then open the Bybit app or website and log into your account. Then tap on asset, click on withdraw, then select the ton as the cryptocurrency, then paste your wallet address, paste your Tonkeeper wallet address, then choose the correct ton network and make sure it's accurate. Then enter the amount of ton to transfer, then double check the address, which is the wallet address, and the ton network. Make sure you check very well. Then complete any required security check, then click on confirm the transaction, then wait for a few minutes for the transactions to process. Then your ton should appear in your Tonkeeper balance. And that's just a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer ton from Bybit to Tonkeeper. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.